it up. Can't really, there's an antenna here.
I'm videotaping.
Is it lit?
Oh!
Whoa! Dude, that's good.
That was a 69 shot. Are you for real?
Mom, I bet we will.
There's the
That
dog.
wasn't a 60.
Emmett, come here.
Well, I think they did 5 or 6 per one. And then
I
they
bet
did
we
like
woke
8
up
of
our
those.
baby
Alright.
cousin.
That's like 48.
Yeah.
48
I'm
minimum.
recording. I want to record.
Firefly.
Record me. Hey, look at this
They
guy.
did 60 for maximum. There's no way they could have.
This is my friend
Come here.
Carson.
Emmett.
Emmett.
Kobe.
No, they shot off at least 6 or 7 shots. If you do 6 times the 10 times that did it,
That's fun.
that's 60.
Oh!
Well, maybe they. And the last one did 7. And no, yeah.
My favorite one was the last
Maybe
one.
they had 7
Comment down
rounds.
below what one your
7.
favorite was.
And then the last one is 7.
Yeah.
See, when the guy came in with 3 bags, they're all
One.
different. So
Hopefully these
there's
are
a
different.
Chinese dragon.
Hopefully they're different. They're not all the same.
The Chinese dragon was like the one that was like boom, 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 and then a huge one. Like for the head. Like it went.
Are they gonna have like 2 at once?
Orange, yellow, red.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
Sink it down.
Plane.
Oh, they got 2 going.
That's gonna be really loud.
Oh!
Oh, look at that!
That's it. Yeah, there we go. Thank you guys for coming over.